Hello Majesties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, fam, thank you, you got my back, thank you, like, bona. Right, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on this, I don't know which side, please click on that red button that says subscribe, and yeah, join the fam, save some coin. Today's tutorial is inspired by the new Miss Universe. Yeah, she's a fellow South African and I'm so happy. I'm so proud of her. I love everything she stands for. Zozibini Tunzi, guys. Yeah. Guys, already this is like discontinued and I stocked up on them. I didn't know though at the time that it was going to be discontinued, but it's the Maybelline Dream Velvet and it's in the color 95, which is coconut, and it's like a couple of shades darker than me, so I mix it with my phone. So guys, is it just me, or do you guys also experience that, like, sometimes your complexion changes when the seasons change? If you also experience the same thing, comment in the comment section below with the words "so me." As per usual, just take your beauty blender and just dampen it and begin to blend out that foundation, blend it out into your forehead, because we don't want to be looking like we have a mask on. So now I'm going to use my Sorbet Barefaced foundation as a contour, and it's in the color Walnut. And just to bring back the color to my face, because after you apply your foundation, your face like kind of looks a bit flat, so we want to bring all those features back to life. If you don't have cheekbones, girl, you can create cheekbones. But yeah, so after I contour and highlight my face, I'm just gonna go in and just take out that powder and set it, and yeah, just to leave my face snatched. If you want to see a full tutorial of how I contour and highlight my face, I'll link it on the description box below. Yes, and that will be on my next upload, so just be on the lookout. I hope you switched on your notification bell that is next to your subscribe button, so that every time I upload you can get an alert, so that you can just be the first to see that tutorial. So yeah, so I'm just going to dust off that powder, that excess powder that I had on. And yeah, that's the complete look so far for the face. Yeah, so I'm just going to move on to my eyeshadow. So I'm going to start off with my transition color, and that is like a brownish reddish color, but it's, yeah, I'm going to use that as my transition color, and I'm just going to put it on my eyelid and just really focus on the crease of my eyelid and on the corners of my eyes. So I'm going to do that with a soft blending brush, and I'm going to do that. Yeah, just make sure that you blend it out nicely, and then I'm just going to cut my crease. So for this period, I'm not going to breathe because cutting your crease can be a very concentration focused like it needs you to just stop breathing for a while. So yeah. And I'm gonna take my NYX eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take that orange. So we want to create kind of like a gradient effect from dark to light. From the corner of my eye should be dark, and then as it goes into the inner corner of my eye, it's light. So I want to create a sunset look, so be orange, a little mustard yellow, and then a bright yellow, and then a white or a silver, but yeah, you get the drill. So I want to do that in any palette that you have, but for now my choice was the NYX one. So you want to blend that out, and just don't slap it on and leave it. Just blend it out, work that muscle, that hand, work it, blend it. So I'm using different brushes for this because I don't want the colors to transfer into each other. I want the colors to be represented in the eye. You understand? So yeah. And just to blend on the corner, I just realized that I'll just add a little bit of red in between that dark brown and the orange. And the orange. I'll just add a little bit of red just to make the whole look cohesive. Like a sunset, yeah. So guys, you can use your fingers as well. Makeup should be fun, and it's not, very intense. Like, yo, we're not in the military, guys. You can use your fingers. You can just play around with it. And you don't need expensive stuff. Just get a palette that you love and that you feel you can explore, and just do that. So yeah. Blend it out, and I'm just going to put on a white. And you can see that I have different palettes. Sometimes in a palette I'll have one color that I like. On this palette, I actually I just used the white. So basically you can use other palettes as well. So you want to blend that out. I'm going in with that red that I mentioned earlier. You see how it kind of blended it out and smoked it out. So I'll take that Fortuity, is that how you say it? That's my transition color, and go in with it again, because as you're blending, sometimes you lose color and then you have to go back in just to, make those colors more prominent and, be there, like just to bring them back again. So now I'm going to go with this color. Yes, Majesties, and it's your namesake, Majesty. So I'm going to go with that color. It's a goldish color, and I was excited for that because of the name, obviously, and it pops. So I'm just going to put that on my brow bone just to give it a bit of a highlight. And I'm going to take my liquid liner. I actually prefer, this is from Wet n Wild, and it's in the color brown. It's called Mega something. I'll just link it there. I actually like the brown one because sometimes I feel that black is a bit harsh on my eye, or with certain looks it's really, I don't really like black. So yeah, you can use any color though. So I think brown is softer in my eyes, yeah, on my eyes. I don't know. But you guys, I remember it was such a struggle to start putting on an eyeliner, that straight wing. Oh my gosh, I struggled, guys. Oh wow, I struggled. If you guys have had the same struggle, just leave a comment in the comment section and tell me your experience, and if you would like to know how I do it, just give me suggestions of what you guys want to see, because this channel is basically all about you guys. So yeah, I hope this is very helpful to you. So I'm just going to go on my lash line. Just to go in with those same colors that I did on my eyes. And just to make the whole look come together. So I'm going to go in with the dark brown pencil from MAC, and it's in the color chestnut, just to line my lips. And so I'm going to overline them a bit because I'm going to put on a nude. Yes, I should have put chapstick first, but it is what it is, guys. So I picked up this new range from L'Oreal. It's guys, this is proper, it's nice, but I don't like the fact that it's a bit sticky. But I guess for some people it's moisturizing. But I love the scent. It smells like chocolates, guys. It legit smells like chocolates. And so I'm just gonna mix those two colors up. I think I have one. It's called Sweet Tooth, that bright one. So I'm going to mix it up with a darker one. I forgot the name, but And it's the final look. Guys, like, you understand? Ooh. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, I almost broke my camera, but So this is the final look. So I went ahead and just installed my hair, and Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you're interested, you can check some of my other videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.